Okay, dear student, let us talk about middle term. An expansion of a plus x raised to power n. So we have two cases. Case 1. If n is even, then n by 2 plus 1th term is only middle term. Case 2. If n is even, then n plus 1 by 2th, n plus 3 by 2th are two middle terms. The students, now question 10 is of this type. Question number 10 demands middle terms. And question 10, we do part 3. Middle term is required. All terms we have to find. What is given? 2x minus 1 by 2x, third part, power 2m plus 1. Compare with a plus x raised to power n gives us a 2x, x minus 1 by 2x, n is equal to 2m plus 1. Okay, so when n is odd, these two can be possible middle terms. This implies n plus 1th, n plus 1 by 2th, and n plus 3 by 2th. If we substitute value of n is 2m plus 1 plus 1 by 2. The value of n is placed here. 2m plus 1 plus 3 by 2. Then it will get simplified as m plus 1. This gets simplified as m plus 2th. Are two middle terms here. Are two middle terms. So we'll be finding these terms. Now first we find m plus 1th term. For m plus 1th term, r is equal to m. Now we use dr plus 1. NCR, an minus r, x r. R is m, so this will be m plus 1. N is this, 2m plus 1, r is m. A is 2x, power n minus r. X is this, x is minus 1 by 2x, and x power r is m, tm plus 1. Here we apply NCR formula, which is n factorial, r factorial to n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. This is formula. We can see minus 1 power m here. This 2x can be written with combined power. This 2m minus m is m plus 1. This from denominator rises to numerator and will be subtracted. These two get cancelled. This will be answer t m plus 1 is equal to 2m plus 1 factorial m factorial m plus 1 factorial. This minus 1 power m can be written in the beginning. A little simplification can take us to this final form answer. Now after it we substitute. To find next term we substitute r is equal to m plus 1. For m plus 2th term r is m plus 1 and then we simplify and apply NCR formula and get this final term t m plus 2.